Crotalus horridus, Allen's keynotes. Poison of rattlesnake family Crotalidae is indicated in tumors, debilitated, hemorrhagic, broken down constitutions during zymotic diseases in inebritus, tendency to carbuncles or blood boils. Diseases caused by a previous low state of the system, low septic typhoid or malarial fever, chronic alcoholism, exhausted vital force, genuine collapse, apoplexy, apoplectic convulsions in inebriates, hemorrhagic or broken down constitutions. Hemorrhagic diathesis, blood flows from eyes, ears, nose, and every orifice of the body, bloody sweat. Yellow color of conjunctiva clears of vision after keratitis or keratoiritis. Malignant jaundice, hematic rather than hepatic. Purpura hemorrhagica comes on suddenly from all orifices, skin, nails, gums. Tongue fiery red, smooth and polished, intensely swollen. Malignant diphtheria or scarlatina, edema or gangrene of fauces or tonsils, pain, aggravation from empty swallowing if vomiting or diarrhea come on. Prostration of vital force, pulse scarcely felt, blood poisoning. Vomiting, bilious with anxiety and weak pulse every month after menstruation, cannot lie on right side or back without instantly producing dark green vomiting, black or coffee grounds of yellow fever. Diarrhea, stools black, thin, like coffee grounds, offensive from noxious effluvia or septic matters in food or drinks from high game during yellow fever, cholera, typhoid, typhus. Intestinal hemorrhage when occurring in typical septic or zymotic disease, blood dark fluid, non-coagulable. Dissecting wounds, insect stings, bad effects of vaccination, vicarious menstruation in debilitated constitutions, menopause, intense flushings and drenching, perspirations, faintness and sinking at stomach, prolonged metrorrhagia, dark fluid offensive, profound anemia. Malignant diseases of uterus, great tendency to hemorrhage, blood dark fluid offensive. Relations, compare Elaps corallinus, lachesis nasa pyrogen. In lachesis, skin cold and clammy. Crotalus, cold and dry. Elaps corallinus, affections of right lung, expectoration of black blood. Crotalus horridus, rattlesnake, Boric materia medica. Snake poisons are supposed to be chemically cyanide hydrates of soda and other salts. Alcohol is the natural solvent of these salts and is an antidote. Has a profound trophic action, old age nutritional troubles, low septic states, general disorganization of the blood, hemorrhages and jaundice. A crotalin injection decreases the rate of coagulation of the blood. I repeat, a crotalin injection decreases the rate of coagulation of the blood. In epilepsy, the average rate is far greater than in normal conditions. Blood decomposition, hemorrhages, tendency to carbuncles, malignant scarlatina, yellow fever, the plague, cholera give opportunity to use this remedy. Hemorrhagic diathesis acts as a sedative, slips into his symptoms, more right-sided in its action. Mind, whipping mood, clouded perception and memory, impatient, loquacious with desire to escape, sadness, delusions of cerebral decay. Head, vertigo with weakness and trembling, dull heavy occipital pain on right side and right eye, headache with pain in heart on lying on left side. Headache must walk on tiptoe to avoid jarring. Eyes very sensitive to light, especially lamplight. Yellow color of eyes, illusions. Blue color, ciliary neuralgia, tearing, boring pain as if a cut had been made around eye. For absorption of intraocular hemorrhages into the vitreous, but particularly for non-inflammatory retinal hemorrhages, diplopia. Ears, auditory vertigo, blood oozes from ears, filling of stoppage in right ear. Nose, epistaxis, blood black and stringy, oozina after exanthemata or syphilis. Face, acne, lips swollen and numb, leaden colored and yellow face, locked jaw. Mouth, tongue red and small but feels swollen, tongue fiery red, dry in center, smooth and polished, moldy smell of breath, fills up with saliva, tongue when protruding, goes to right, spasmodic grinding of tooth at night, cancer of tongue with hemorrhage. Throat, dry, swollen, dark red, spasm of esophagus, cannot swallow any solid substance, tight constriction, gangrenous with much swelling. Stomach, intolerance of clothing around stomach, unable to retain anything, violent vomiting of food, bilious vomiting, vomiting of blood, constant nausea and vomiting every month after menstruation. Cannot lie on right side without vomiting dark green matter. Black or coffee grounds vomiting, cancer of stomach with vomiting of bloody, slimy mucus, trembling, fluttering, filling below the epigastrium. Intolerance of clothing about epigastrium, faintness and sinking at stomach, ulceration of the stomach, atonic dyspepsia, gastritis in chronic alcoholism, hungry, craves stimulants, sugar, averse to meat. Abdomen, distended, hot and tender, pain in region of liver. Stool, black, thin, offensive like coffee grounds, intestinal hemorrhage, blood dark, fluid, non-coagulable, blood oozes from rectum when standing or walking. Female, prolonged menses, dysmenorrhea, pain extends down thighs with aching in region of heart, uterine hemorrhage with faintness at stomach, puerperal fever, offensive lochia, phlegmasia alba dolens, sensation as though uterus would drop out. Painful drawing in uterine ligaments, cannot keep legs still. Urinary, dark, bloody urine, cast, inflamed kidney, albuminous, dark, scanty. Heart, action feeble, pulse tremulous, palpitation, especially at menstrual period, trembling, filling of heart. Respiratory, cough with bloody expectoration, tickling from a dry spot in larynx. Extremities, hands tremble, swollen, lower extremities go to sleep easily, right-sided paralysis. Fever, malignant fevers of a hemorrhagic or putrescent character, low bilious remittance, yellow fever, bloody sweat, cerebrospinal meningitis, cold sweats. Skin, swelling and discoloration, skin tints and shows every tint of color with excruciating pain, vesication, swallow, yellow color of the whole body, great sensitiveness of skin of right half of body, purpura hemorrhagica, hemorrhage from every part of body, bloody sweat, chilblains, phylons, dissecting wounds, pustular eruptions, insect stings, post-vaccination eruptions, bad effects of vaccination, lymphangitis and septicemia. Boils, carbuncles and eruptions are surrounded by purplish mottled skin and edema. Anthrax, sore sensation relieved by pressure. Sleep, dreams of the dead starting in sleep, yawning, smoothing sensation when awaking. Modalities, worse right side, open air, evening and morning, in spring, coming on of warm weather, yearly on, awaking, damp and wet, jar. Relationship, compare, Bothrops, NASA, more nervous phenomenon. Lachesis, more markedly worse on left side. Elapse, corallinus, preferable in otorrhea and affections of right lung. Crotalus cascavella, thoughts and dreams of death, paralysis of articulation, embarrassed stertorous breathing, and semi-consciousness. A magnetic state is produced, cutting sensation all around eyeball. Bungarus great. Poliomyelitis. Antidote: lachesis, alcohol, radiant heat, camphor. Dose: 3rd to 6th potency.